Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are going to do some translation, inshallah, in this assignment. So this assignment is going to be interesting. Okay. Anfusukum. It's all Idhafah. You need to do a translation. Okay. Anfusukum. Anfusu mean see light, no al, and kum means nasabo jar, and it has to consider as a jar. So how to translate? Kum is you all, right? You all. Anfusa means selves. Basically, you are translating like selves of yours or yourselves. Yourself. When I say your, it means inside the bracket you have to put all, because in English there is no you all, right? So you have you for one and you have you for multiple as well. So next one is bagyukum. Bagyukum. Baga mean rebellion. Okay. Kum mean antum again. Your rebellion. Rebellion of yours or your rebellion. Zukhrufaha. Zukhrufaha. Zukhrufa mean glitter. Okay. Ha mean you can say her or it. Her glitter or it glitter. Glitter of his, glitter of her. Okay. Or her glitter or it glitter. Amruna. Amruna. Amru is again light, no al, and na is attached version of nahnu, us. So when it comes to attach, it's nasubo jar, but na it's coming after mudaf. It is obviously jar. I'm not gonna say this. I said enough in last assignment. So then this is a mudaf mudafila. You have to translate as command of ours, or you can say our command. Kaumahum, kaumahum, kaum mean nation, hum mean they. So nation of theirs, or you can say their nation. So when it comes to in English, instead of these pronouns, when you're translating, you cannot see the off. I'm putting the off first, then I'm translating, so it's easy. You can easily recognize what happened to this off. Because if I put off, like say nation of theirs, it doesn't make sense. So their nation is better English. Okay, ahluha, ahluha. Family, ahl mean family, ha mean her. Okay, so family of her, or you can say her family. Hududahu, hududahu. Hudud mean boundary. Who mean who become who. So boundary of he, or you can say his boundary. Makanat, makanakum. Makana mean place. Kum mean you all. So place of you all, or you all place, or your place. Bimithilihi. Be mean with. Okay. Mithili mean example. Uh, he mean who. So example of who, or example of he, or his example. We can say with his example. Fa mean then in Arabic. Li mean for. So ummi he. Ummi mean mother. He mean who. He. Mother of he. That means his mother. His mother. Fa mean then. Li mean for. Then for his mother. Ahli hinna. Ahli hinna. Ahli I already did family. Ahli is already said family. So hinna mean they, but feminine. So family of they, female they, or you can say they are family, but they are, you have to put inside the bracket feminine. All are female. Ihda unna. Ihda unna. Ihda mean ahad. It's like one. Hunna again they. Uh, you, simple translation is one of them. One of them. Simple as that. Shurakaukum. Shuraka mean associates. Kum mean you all. Okay. So associate of you all, or you all you associate, you can say. Sadukati hinna. Sadukati hinna. Sadukati mean marriage gift. Hinna mean they ladies. Marriage gift of them, or marriage gift of they, or their marriage gift. Their marriage gift. They are inside the bracket. You have to put female ladies. Amali. Amali. Amal is there is no light, and it's light and there is no al, and he is jar, because anta jar version is e. So amali is mudaf mudafile. You have to put off. Deeds of mine. Deeds or action of mine. Amal mean deeds or action of action. So action of mine, or my action. Rabbika. Rabbika. Rabbi is like Noal, and Ka is Anta, coming from you, attached version. So it's Nasibo Jar, Ya after Mudaf it is Jar. So Rabbika is a master of yours, or you can say your master. So very easy one. And there are another few words like this, another 17 words are there. We'll quickly do that as well. Subhanallah wa bihamdi, subhanakallah wa bihamdika, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Subhana rabbika is the amma yusbihun. Wassalamu ala al-mursaleen walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.